Hi, it's Fran Berger. I'm at GEARYS this week, searching for the perfect entertaining pieces. Things like beautiful soup tureens from Haviland and C. Parlant. The great thing about soup tureens, you can use them for soup and chilies and things like that. But if you're not doing that for your meal, take the lid off, fill them with flowers, and have it be your centerpiece. Gorgeous pieces from Christophe. I love the mood, which is what this pattern is. This is a service for 6, and their party mood. I love the oyster forks, the little knives for cheese, spoons to pick up spreads and things with. It's perfect for all of the appetizers. It comes separately from this great tray. You could put nuts and olives and cheese and all kinds of things on here. Wonderful hurricanes, also from Christophe, create a mood for your table or anywhere in your home. And if you've got a special bottle of wine, a Magnum, this gorgeous piece from William Yoward, it's brand new. I love the grape etching on it. Imagine a red wine in that for your dinner. Great pieces to start your holiday entertaining.